Good morning, students. Welcome in English language class. Today's topic reflexive pronoun and relative pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Pronouns where the action of the subject reflects upon itself are called reflexive pronouns. In these pronouns, the action of the subject reflects upon itself. We add self and selves to personal pronouns to form singular and plural reflexive pronouns respectively. So, in this pronouns, we add in singular form self and in plural form selves. Read examples to understand. The mouse hid itself under the table. Here, mouse action hid reflects on the mouse. B. They gave themselves a month to build the road. Here, themselves is also reflects upon they. Reflexive pronouns. Singular. Subject pronouns I, reflexive pronouns myself. You, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. Plural. Subject pronouns be, reflexive pronouns ourselves. You, yourselves, they, themselves. Let's come to the exercise I. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. Number 1. The naughty boy got himself into a tight spot. Himself. Number 2. The cat is hiding under the table. Herself, itself. Here is itself. It is used for the animal. So, itself. We should prepare for the exam. Yourselves, ourselves. Our is used with we. So, here is ourselves. Here is be is plural. So, ourselves. John considers the smartest boy in the class. Himself, herself. Here is himself. Masculine gender use him and feminine gender use her. So here is himself. God helps those who help himself themselves. Here is those is plural. So here is themselves. I did this project myself. My is used with I, so here is myself. Prepare yourselves for some bad news. 8. Rohan washes and polishes his car himself. Relative pronouns. We use relative pronouns after a noun to make clear which person or thing we are talking about. Here is some examples. First of all, study these examples, sentences. I want the toy which I saw yesterday. Here, which is related to toy, the toy. B. Those who are dishonest cannot be trusted. Here is who is related to those. C. The man whom he meet at the exhibition is a painter. Here is whom is related the man. Relative pronouns join two sentences. Here is the man and he meet at the exhibition is a painter joined with whom. So these pronouns also connect two sentences. So it is called connective pronouns. The pronouns which, who, whom join two sentences and refer back to the noun going before them, they are called relative pronouns. This is the definition of the relative pronoun. The pronouns that join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them are called relative pronouns. The nouns to which a relative pronoun refers to is called its antecedent. Those nouns used before relative pronouns is called its antecedents. Thus, in this sentence, I want the toy which I saw yesterday, which is the relative pronoun. Which is the relative pronoun. This is relative pronoun, and the toy is its antecedents. Okay. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns who used for people. Which used for things and animals. Whose used for possession of people, animals. Whom used for the people when the person is the object of the verb. That used for people, things and animals. Okay. Let's come to the exercise J. Fill in the blanks with relative pronouns. This is the man who was arrested by the police. Who is related to the man. To my friends has sold the car which he bought last year. Which is related to the car. 3. The watch which my uncle gave me is very costly. Which is related to the watch, and here is two sentences. The watch my uncle gave me is very costly is joined, connected. 4. He is a man whom you can trust. Whom is related to a man. 5. The boy who was injured is in hospital now. Who means the boy. Who is related to the boy. Why is antecedent. 6. He is the man whom Prem has given the money. 7. That is the color which suits you. Which related to color. 8. He is the boy whose mother has won the lottery. Whose means related to the boy. Okay.